Alright, I'm here on the Danforth, Greektown in Toronto, and I'm at the Friendly Greek Restaurant. Just appetizers and drinks on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. And this is going to be my review for my food channel, What's Cooking with Lizzo C. I got there, and it's appetizers and drink night. The calamari, small Greek salad, and they brought out nice warm bread. Calamari $17, small Greek salad is $12. Ordered their Greek wine here. I will get the name of it afterwards, and a glass of just by the glass. I think this was $8 only, so that's good. All right, so I'm gonna give this a go. Looks yummy. Try the calamari tzatziki sauce, I believe is how I pronounce it. And we're gonna give this a go. Good. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon on it. Always a little dip with your calamari makes it good. Your bite. Very good. They give 3 pieces of 3 lemon wedges. That's generous. I've never had 3 lemon wedges. So it's very good. It's fresh. Nicely battered here. Like, it's not a heavy batter. Very good. Try the salad. It's a beef salad. Pretty, consistent. Tomato. Feta cheese. Yum. Olive. He likes olives.
Right?
They're nice and friendly, welcoming, because sometimes it's challenging to live stream, record the bread. Really good. If you're visiting Toronto, come on down to the Danforth, Greektown. Come to Friendly Greek. They'll be happy to take care of you. They have a lovely patio here in the summer. Inside dining is quite nice as well. Come check them out. Take your bite.